Alright, here are my two Predator 3500 inverter generators. I bought one a few days ago, bought one yesterday, and these are going to be replacing my two Honda EU2000s. Both of these have a max rating, 3,500 watts, and the running watts is 3,000 each, which is top of 7,000, and the running watts is 6,000. I have both of these on Econ mode right now, which is the same feature that they have on the Honda inverter generators. As you can tell, these things are very quiet. Right now I'm going to turn off that throttle. And you'll notice with no load on them, they go up slightly, the noise. And what I rigged up here is an extra parallel cord that I had. That I got on a discount, and I'm using these clips just to hold it onto the bar. I still have accessible these here, the twist lock provided from Harbor Freight. Comes with the generator. That's on both of those. You can see here it's 123 volts, no amp right now. The output volt amps, and it's been running for an hour. And over here, do this. So I started them up within seconds of each other. I was able to verify when I put a load on it. I had a little wet dry vac that pulls about 6 amps, and when I tested it before, it bounced between 5.9 and about 6.2 amps. What they're running in parallel mode here, it's roughly 3 amps and 3 amps each on the output, which is what I wanted, which means they're synced and they're working properly. So we'll see how things go over time, but really like these things so far. The only drawback for them, of course, is they're, for me anyway, is they're a lot heavier than the EU2000s. These are 100 pounds, about 100 pounds each before you put any fuel in them. But they're nice, they've got the battery start on each, and each of those is 25 amps, so if I were to give me a fifth wheel, of course I'd have more than enough power to run a couple of air conditioners and everything else on it as well. So alright, that's all for now.